This is Wyatt, Koskela, and Demarais, and we are going to inform you about hurricanes today. We're on a boat, and we are going to inform you. Tropical cyclones are also referred as hurricanes. They are formed when heat is released. Moist air rises during evaporation. The resultant condensation of water fuels formation, cyclonic windstorms, and polar flows. The phenomenon leads to formation of a tropical region of the planet. The counterclockwise rotation observed in the northern hemisphere and clockwise rotation of winds recorded in the southern hemisphere differ in strength according to the location and
For your hurricane watch today, hurricane conditions with sustained winds of 74 miles per hour or greater are possible in your area within the next 36 hours. This watch should trigger your family's disaster plan, and protective measures should be initiated, especially those actions that require extra time, such as securing a boat and leaving a ferry in your island. Hurricane warning! Hurricane conditions are expected in your area within 24 hours. Once this warning has been issued, your family should be in the process of completing protective actions and deciding the safest location to be during the storm.
hurricanes are also called typhoons, cyclonic storms that tropical depressions. They are characterized by powerful winds, torrential rain, formations of high waves, and tornadoes. Most hurricanes develop over large bodies of water and gradually fade out as they move inland. This is the main reason behind the coastal regions facing a lot of damage and life and property in 40 kilometers. The movement of warm air within the hurricane from the tropics to the temperature latitudes makes them a major air circulation mechanism. The other advantages of the hurricanes include their role in relieving drought and maintaining the troposphere equilibrium.
How do hurricanes form? Hurricanes only form over really warm ocean water of 80 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. The atmosphere must cool off very quickly the higher you go. Also, the wind must be blown in the same direction and at the same speed to force the air upward from the ocean surface. Winds flow outward above the storm, allowing the air below to rise. Hurricanes typically form between 5 to 15 degrees latitude north and south of the equator. The Coriolis Force is needed to create the spin in the hurricane, and it becomes too weak near the equator. The hurricanes can never form there.
Tropical hurricanes have a core of sinking air, also referred to as the eye of the storm. Intensely region is calming and good free. The spherical formation may range in the size from more than 2.5 kilometers, 350 kilometers in diameter. The stadium effect is a phenomenon that refers to the outward curving of the eye wall and to resemble a stadium. The hurricane also has a CDO, or central dense overcast. This region is concentrated thunderstorm bearing region near the center of the eye of the storm. The size of circulation to the outermost isobar, the primary energy source within the formation, is the heat released to the process of evaporation and physical forces such as the Earth's gravity and rotation.
Oh! Big wind! Oh! During
Hurricane activity is the most commonly observed in late summer. This is mainly due to the striking difference between sea temperatures and seasonal basin patterns. Within each identified temperature zone, while May is observed to least active hurricane month. Meteorologist centers worldwide are responsible for tracking hurricanes. These laboratories function alongside 6 tropical cyclone hurricane warning centers that ensured awareness in March 2004. But Hurricane Santa Ana is clearly the first hurricane on record ever. This violent hurricane struck Puerto Rico in July 26, 1825, claiming lives and property for hundreds of miles inland.
Oh! During a hurricane, stay away from low-lying and flood-prone areas. Always stay indoors during a hurricane because strong winds will blow things around. Leave all our homes and to go to a shelter. If your home isn't on higher ground, go to a shelter. If emergency measures are safe to evacuate, then do so immediately. After a hurricane, stay indoors until it is safe to come out. Check for injured or trapped people without putting yourself in danger. Watch out for flooding, which can happen after a hurricane. Do not attempt to drive in flooding water. Stay away from standing water. It may be electrically charged from underground or down power lines. Don't drink tap water until officials say it is safe to do so.
Thank you for watching our hurricane video.